Hi everyone, and welcome to the MAT 211 review of basic probability. My name is Julia, and I work for the tutoring centers at ASU. So, suppose we have two dice, one red and one green, and we've rolled these. Consider the following events. Event A is that the two numbers add up to 7. Event B is that the green die shows the number 2, so the number 2 is on top. Event C is that one of the two numbers, either the number on the red or the green, is 6. And event D is that the numbers do not add to 3. So we want to express the following event in set notation, that the numbers add to 7 and the green die does not show 2. So let's start by considering our first part of our event, the first condition of our event. So we have that we want the numbers to add to 7. And we notice in our list that that corresponds to event A. So we know that we want A to be in our set notation expression of this full event. So also, we want the green die to not show 2. So if we look at our list of events here, the one that corresponds most closely to this is event B, but this says that the green die does show 2. So we want, in our full set of possible outcomes here, our set space, we want our event here to represent everything that does not include the set B, the event B. So let's express this. There's a couple ways to express this. Say we have our sample space here, our S, which is our set of all possible outcomes. We could express this as the set of all events in S that does not include the events in B, right? So that would mean that in all cases of this set here, we would not be including any cases where the green die does show 2. So that holds up to the green die does not show 2, like we'd like. We can also more simply express this as the negation of B. So we would write that as B with the line over top, which means not B. So B does not happen. So in our notation here at the bottom, we know there's going to be a not B. We'll write that one to make it a little more simple. Lastly, let's look at this word and. And means that both of the events A and B must occur. So not one or the other. So if we think of this in terms of a Venn diagram with A and not B in this case, then we're looking for the space in which these two overlap. So the intersection of these two different events. So that means that we're going to use the intersection notation. So our event set in set notation is going to be exactly this. So that's it. That's all there is to this problem. Before I go, I just want to remind you all that if you are looking for any additional tutoring or academic support at ASU, you can visit the Tutoring Center's website, tutoring.asu.edu, to find all of our resources. Additionally, if you are looking for tutoring services for your specific course, we have the Tutor Search tool, which you can find either by following the links on our main page or by going directly to the Tutor Search tool at this full link. And that will allow you to search for all of the possible tutoring services for your specific course. So thanks so much and have a great rest of your day.